You're watching how to zoom in or zoom out and flip camera while recording Instagram stories. Open the Instagram app and swipe right from your feed or tap your profile picture in the top left to open the stories camera. Ensure you are on the create mode for a new story. To zoom in, place two fingers on the screen like you're pinching and slowly spread them apart. As you spread your fingers, the view will zoom in digitally. To zoom out, perform the reverse pinch gesture by bringing two fingers closer together on the screen. You can also use a slider for more precise control. With one finger, swipe up or down on the screen while recording to access a zoom slider that appears on the side. To flip between the front and rear camera while recording, you do not need to stop. Simply double tap anywhere on the screen with two fingers. A quick double tap with two fingers will instantly switch the camera view from front to back or back to front. You can do this multiple times during a single recording. This allows for dynamic shots without pausing. To lock focus and exposure for a consistent shot during recording, tap and hold on a specific part of the screen until an AEAF lock indicator appears. Remember, these gestures work while you are actively holding the record button to capture video. You can combine these actions. For example, start recording, zoom in, then double tap with two fingers to flip the camera while still zoomed in. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.